All right, guys, education time. We're going to take a look at a bearish scenario, signs of buyer exhaustion, and when not to buy an asset. So we're going to take a look at ICX here, all right, Icon. I did this analysis on November 19th, and this is a good example of what to look for to know when not to go long on an asset, all right? If you want to short, this could be a good example on when to take a short position, but moreover, this is when not to buy an asset, all right? So Icon to Tether US on the daily for Binance. The first thing that we had layered out here is the structure, all right? So this bottom trend line in white and the overhead trend line in blue creates what is called the rising wedge. Thomas Polkowski will talk about this, but the rising wedge is a bearish pattern, and the closer price gets to the apex of the wedge, the more likely it is to make its move. Being that it is a bearish pattern, it is more likely to sell off to the downside. All right. Now, you don't want to just trade the wedge. You want to beef up your argument as always. All right. You want to add layers and ingredients. You want to look for divergence. You'll notice down here, so we move it to the oscillators. First up, the MACD. You will notice that you had double Class A bearish divergence, meaning you had higher highs in price with lower highs on the oscillator, all right? That is a sign of major exhaustion for buyers. So you're approaching the apex, major exhaustion from buyers, not only on the MACD, move it down to the RSI, also add double Class A on the RSI, okay? So now you have matched up the MACD with the RSI with a bearish pattern approaching the apex. It's just a recipe for this thing to sell off, and that is what you need to look for to know that this is a very bad time to buy Icon. And if we go ahead and jump to the future, we can see it did indeed fall out of the wedge, sell off down to about $1.70 at the 50% retrace before consolidating a bit. All right, that's pretty much it on this one. Just a few examples of what you can look for to know when not to buy the asset and avoid a bad situation. All right, so invest in yourself. I hope this was helpful. Tune into the live stream to see me do this live and ask me any kind of questions or anything that you have. But that's it, man. That's really it. So, I'll see you guys in the live stream. And as always, keep it technical. All right, please.